بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين وصلى الله على سيدنا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين. Welcome back and to another lesson inshallah here on reading the Quran, Surat al Baqarah. We've now reached ayah number 123 inshallah, and we are right here. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم So waw fatha, this drops, you're going to go straight into the ta. So it becomes wattaqu, wattaqu yawman, wattaqu yawman. La. Otherwise, if you're going to join them, yawman la, like that. We're going to say وَاتَّقُوا يَوْمًا لَا. Otherwise يَوْمًا لَا. تَجْزِي. Why did I say تَجْزِي? Because the jim is slightly shakes a little bit. قلقلة. تَجْزِي نَفْسٌ عَنْ نَفْسٍ. This noon has a sukoon. It joins with this noon. That's why there's a shadda. Okay? This noon joins with that one. عن نفس شيئا. But when you have شيئا, you have a waw. شيئا ولا. So some people have asked me to read over what we read, so I'm going to do that. وَاتَّقُوا يَوْمًا لَا تَجْزِي نَفْسٌ عَنْ نَفْسٍ شَيْئًا وَلَا. وَلَا يُقْبَلُ minha, min, that's a noon, sukoon, min, ha, that's a ha with an alif, minha, adlun, this dal is slightly doubled, right, qalqala, adlun, wala tanfa'uha. Now, if you recall, noon sakina, if a noon doesn't have anything on it, sukoon, followed by fa, you're going to extend that slightly. Tanfa'uha, shafa'atun. So, yuqbalu minha adlun ولا تنفعها شفاعة ولا هم ينصرون. Okay, next ayah. وَإِذِ. So وَإِذِ, what happens from this this drops here, mixing with the ba, and the ba is qalqala, it slightly shakes, right, doubles. You'll see from the sound. وَإِذِبْ, this completely drops, goes straight to the ba. وَإِذِبْ تَلَا Iba, again the ba is doubled slightly. Ra, hima, this slightly extends this. Ibrahima rabbuhu. This just extends the ha there. وَإِذِ ابْتَلَى إِبْرَاهِيمَ رَبُّهُ بِكَلِمَاتٍ. So we were here, بِكَلِمَاتٍ. Now this has a kasratain followed by a fa. If you remember, whether it is a noon with a sukoon or a ta that has kasratain like that, if you have certain letters, it extends and makes a certain sound. So this is a fa. So this becomes بِكَلِمَاتٍ فَأَتَمَّ. Right? So the in from here and then mixes with that. So بِكَلِمَاتٍ فَأَتَمَّهُنْ. This is a meme with a shadda, so it becomes فَأَتَمَّهُنَّ. قَالَ إِنِّي جَاعِلُكَ. قال إني جاعلك للناس. This is another غنة here, noon with a noon shadda. للناس, right? That slight nasal sound you make. للناس إماما قال. This fathatain followed by a qaf also. إماما قال. قال ومن ذريتي. This dhal after the noon with the sukoon also is ikhfa. ومن ذريتي قال لا. Okay, so we're here. قال لا ينال. قال لا ينال. لا ينال عهد الظالمين. عهدي. عهدي. This is a ain. عهدي. This is a ha. أهدي. عهدي. And then this goes straight into the dha. This alif lam is dropped. عهدي. Right? This is not said. You go from this straight onto the right here over the dha. عهد الظالمين. Sadaqallah al-Azim. We read 2 ayahs. Sorry guys, try today make as many as I can. I apologize for the late videos updating, inshallah. Please pray for me. Jazakumullah khair. Hopefully I'll have another one up sometime soon. Assalamu alaikum.